You roll out your yoga mat, take a deep breath, and start your practice. But here's the unsettling truth. The mat you trust for health and mindfulness might be hiding something you never thought about. Sweat, skin cells, bacteria, even fungi. And no, a quick wipe with your towel isn't enough. In fact, without proper cleaning, your yoga mat can become a breeding ground for germs that could make you sick. But the good news? You can sanitize it completely, without damaging the material, using natural, safe methods. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more emotional, truth-driven guides that keep your home, health, and lifestyle safe. Think about it. Your yoga mat is constantly in contact with your skin, sweat, and sometimes even the floor of a public studio. During hot yoga, that moisture multiplies. And with every session, more bacteria, oils, and dirt seep into the mat's surface. If left uncleaned, mats can develop odors, lose grip, and even harbor harmful microbes like staph bacteria or athlete's foot fungus. The worst part? You might not even see it happening until your skin starts reacting or the smell becomes impossible to ignore. Step 1. Know your mat's material. Before you clean anything, it's crucial to know what your mat is made of. Is it PVC, natural rubber, TPE, or cork? Why does this matter? Because harsh cleaners like bleach or strong detergents can break down the material, making it slippery or brittle. Most mats can handle gentle cleaning with mild soap or natural disinfectants, but avoid abrasive scrubbers that can scratch or weaken the surface. Step 2. Prepare a natural cleaning solution. We want something that kills germs but keeps your mat's integrity intact. The best natural solution? Mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle and add a few drops of tea tree oil. Vinegar's acidity destroys bacteria, while tea tree oil has natural antifungal and antimicrobial properties. Plus, it leaves a fresh, clean scent without synthetic fragrances. Step 3. Spray and wipe, don't soak. Lay your mat flat on a clean surface. Spray the solution lightly across the top side. Don't drench it, as excess moisture can seep into the mat and cause mold. Using a soft microfiber cloth, gently wipe the surface in circular motions. This step lifts sweat, dirt, and oils from the surface while killing invisible germs. Flip the mat and repeat on the other side, especially if you use it in public spaces. Step 4. Target stubborn spots. If there are visible sweat marks or sticky areas, spray a little extra cleaning solution directly on them and let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes before wiping. For mats that feel extra greasy, mix a small amount of mild dish soap with warm water and gently scrub with a soft sponge. Always rinse the sponge or cloth thoroughly to avoid leaving soapy residue, which can make your mat slippery during your next practice. Step 5. Let it dry completely. This step is just as important as cleaning itself. After wiping down, let your mat air dry completely before rolling it up. Hang it over a chair, railing, or shower rod, preferably in a sunny spot or well-ventilated room. Extra freshness tip: essential oils. Want your mat to smell spa fresh every time you unroll it? After cleaning, lightly mist it with water mixed with lavender or eucalyptus essential oil. Not only does it smell amazing, but these oils also have antimicrobial properties that help keep bacteria away between cleanings. Practicing yoga is about balance, body, mind, and environment. But it's hard to find peace in your practice if you're breathing in germs or lying on a dirty surface. A clean yoga mat means fewer allergies, no funky odors, and a safer, more enjoyable experience every time you practice. Your yoga mat is more than just a piece of equipment. It's your personal space for growth, relaxation, and healing. By sanitizing it naturally and carefully, you protect not just the mat, but your health and your peace of mind. The next time you roll it out, you'll know it's truly clean, ready to support your best practice yet. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more emotional, truth-driven tips that keep your home, health, and lifestyle in perfect balance. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community,